Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 5, Prime Time of grade 6 mathematics of the new NCERT textbook, Ganit Prakash. And we are going to learn some co-prime art. So let us observe the thread art given in all the 4 diagrams over here. So we need to just see the thread gap. Let us see the first example. If you see here, there are 12 pegs. 1, 2, we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pegs. And what is the thread gap? 1, 2, 3, 4. After every 4, they have taken the thread, tied the thread. Right, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the numbers are 12, pegs are 12, and the gap is 4. Right, so let us write down this number and then we'll try to understand the relationship. Here the numbers are, the pegs are 13. Okay, and the thread gap, let us see the first thread. It is from 3, 6, 9, 12. Then you come back to 2, like that. 2, then 5, then 8, 11, 1, then 4. From 4, 7, 10, 13. Okay, so you should reach back where you started from. Okay, so you started from 13 and you reached here 13. Okay, let us see. So here the numbers are 13. So 13 pegs, and what are the gaps? Gap of 3. Here how many pegs are there? 16 pegs. And let us see the gap. So 6 gap. The first thread, if you see, it is starting from here. It's coming till 6. Then again 6. 6 like that. 12 to 6. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is going till 2. Right? So like that you have to continue till you reach this number back. So here the numbers are pegs 16 and the thread gap is of 6. Here the pegs are 24 and the gap is of 6. This is very clear because it's a simple diagram. So observe the pictures and share and discuss your findings. So what do you understand here? You can see in some diagrams the thread is tied to every peg and in some it is not. Is it related to two numbers, the number of pegs and the thread gap being the coprime? So let us see here. Again we go back to the diagram. What is the relationship? So here 12 pegs and 4 gap. So we come back to 4 in just one round. Here you can see there are many numbers which are left untied. The thread is not tied on those numbers, right? In the second one, what happens? It is tied to each and every peg after taking round. In this one, 16 and 6, it is tied to most of the pegs, leaving only the alternate ones, right? Here more pegs were left and here only one. And here also you can see so many pegs are left which are not tied with the thread. So out of all this 4, if you see, only 13 and 3 is a number where all of them are, all the numbers are tied to the with the thread. There is no gap left, there is no number left which is not tied by the thread, right? So here we get, and in all others it is, so this 13 and 3, in all others there is some gap left. So only 13 and 3, they are co-prime numbers. So by making such designs, you can explore various numbers and find out which ones are co-primes and which one are not co-prime. Now, so let us see one by one. If we take 12, what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Right, so there are common numbers over here. You can see 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so they are not co-primes. They have something common. Rather, three numbers common. In 13 and 3, what are the factors? 13, the factors of 13, 1 and 13. And factors of 3 are 1, 1 and 3. So except 1, there is nothing common. So they are co-primes. And for 13, if you see, if you, even instead of 3, if you take the thread gap of 2, then also you will get a design where every peg is touched by the thread. Any number you take, because 13 is a prime number, right? So any peg you take here, you will get a design and you will touch each and every peg. You take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any number. 13 is a prime number and so other number will be its co-prime because all numbers are less than it. It's not a multiple of 13. Okay, that's a different case. So in this case, that is one thing you should remember is with a different thread gap, you will get a different design. But you will cover up all the numbers. The thread will cover up all the numbers. So 13 and 3 are co-prime. If we see 16 and 6, so factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. And for 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So here there is something common. What is common? Common is 2. Right, so again 16 and 6 are not co-primes. And if we see the last one, for 24, the factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. And for 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So there are three numbers which are common. So again, they are not co-primes, right? So what have we understood from this design is that if you take any two number, one is the number of pegs and the other is the thread gap. If the numbers are co-prime, then the thread will touch each and every number. If they are not co-primes, then there will be some gap left, some numbers left, depending upon the numbers which you have chosen. Like in the first and the last, there is no design. It's very simple. Second one, still there is a design. Because there is less numbers which are common. So only with 2 you will get a 2 is common, right? In this case, 16 and 6. Right, so based on this, they have asked some questions. So you can make such a co-prime art and explore with different numbers, taking different threads and pegs, number of pegs and the thread gap. So now let us see for some questions they have asked, some numbers they have asked. So let us try to solve and find out which ones are co-prime numbers. So if I take like first is 15 and I'll solve it here only, we have enough space. 15, the factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. For 10, the thread gap is 10. So for 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Right, so here if you see what is the common factor? 5. 1 is of course there, but 5 also. Right, so are these two co-primes? No. I'm showing it to you with numbers. You can try it with the art once you make it. Now let us try to solve question number B. 10 and 7. So for 10, the factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. For 7, 7 is a prime number, 1 and 7. So here if you see except 1, there is nothing common. So 10 and 7. With this you will get a beautiful design. So they are co-primes. Let us take C, question number C. 14 and 6. 1, 2, 7 and 14. These are the factors of 14. For 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now what is common over here? There is 2 which is common. So they are not co-primes. Okay. Now question number D. The numbers 1 is 8. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. For 3, 1 and 3. Right. So here except 1 there is nothing common. So these are co-prime pairs. Right. So we got 2 as co-primes and the other 2 as uh, non-co-primes, right? So what you should do whenever you want to make a beautiful design, an art piece uh, of this type of with thread and the pegs, then you will choose numbers which are co-primes so that you get a beautiful design and you can do a lot of maths with this. Okay, I'm also planning to make a separate video of how to make this coprime art with different numbers. And other than coprimes, you can also learn HCF, LCM from the same art piece that I'll cover in a separate video. Okay, and after we learn HCF, LCM, so that you understand all the concepts with the art. You will learn art as well as maths together, right? So we'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.